Good day everyone, we are the Group 5. We tackled about contemporary fine arts in the Philippine regions 9 and 10. Region 9 or Zamboanga Peninsula. It is known for mineral deposits are gold, chromite, manganese, asbestos, and silica. Fishing and farming are the primary economic activities. Leading industries include coconut production as well as rice, corn, and banana production. The region is the third highest in fish production in the country. These are the tribes in Region 9: Tausugs, Yakans, Badjaus, Samals, and the Sobanens. The Taosugs inhabit the island of Hulu and are dispersed into several communities in the smaller island of Tawi-Tawi, Basilan, and southern Palawan. They have a rich culture and amalgam of different cultures and foreign influence that dates back as early as 13th century. The next is Yakans. They are peace-loving people, originally pagans until the spread of Islam in the island. Yakan men and women are distinguished by skin-tight trousers and bulky waist sashes which serve as protection from bladed weapon. Badjaus, often referred to as a Philippine sea gypsies. The Badjaus until recently spent their lives on the small boats which frequent to the water around the numerous islands of the Sulu archipelago. Samals, they are peace-loving people whose means of livelihood is fishing. Their staple food is the kasaba or puto as it is locally called. The term Sobanen, derived from Soba River, means people of river. Known for their contemporary arts of music, dance, and crafts. What is Hudyaka Festival? Hudyaka Festival. The festival celebrates the founding of the province and the cities and municipalities of Zamboanga del Norte, usually sent in the contingents to compete. Next is Sibug-Sibug Festival. So what is Sibug-Sibug Festival? Sibug-Sibug Festival. The 2 weeks festivity features colorful street dancing and ethnic themes, including the ritual that shows of good harvest, wedding ceremony, and ritual healings. In contemporary arts in Region 9, there are many examples, like waving. They have used plants like pineapple and abaca converted into fiber as basic materials for weaving. And basketry. So basketry are constructed from bamboo and rattan and often a combination of the two. Plating and twinning produces and wide range of sizes and forms. Music arts. The example of music arts are gandingan and kulintang. Gandingan and kulintang allows a fellow Maguindanao to communicate with each other, allowing them to send message or warnings via long distances. So we are now in Region 10 or Northern Mindanao. So what is Region 10? So Region 10 is a combination of plains, rolling hills, mountains, and coastal area with rich soil, abundant minerals, and agricultural resources. It has a strategic location, which is why it serves as the gateway to and from the rest of Mindanao. Ethnic groups in Region 10 are Maranao, Manobo, Higaonon, Subanon. Why Maranao are called people of lake? Because they live around the lake called Lake Lanao. Next is Manobo. What makes Manobo different from other tribes? A Manobo community is mostly male-dominated. Then the Higaonon is one of the least known ethno-linguistic group that inhabit north-central Mindanao. Lastly, the Sobanons. So, the Sobanons are farmer and regularly move from one location to another to clear more forest for fields. So we are now in Pre-colonial Period. So pang-utab the tattooing tradition of Manobo. They say tattoos complete their womanhood and symbolize strength. Then next is turugan. So a turugan was a symbol of high social status. Such resident was once a home to a sultan. Lastly, anito. So anito refers to ancestor spirits, nature spirits, and deities or diwata in the indigenous and domestic religions of pre-colonial Philippines. In modern period, there are examples which is darangin and kauyagan. The darangin is an ancient epic song that encompasses a wealth of knowledge of the Maranao people who live in the Lake Lanao region of Mindanao. Next is kauyagan, a tribal drama written and directed by Julian Ilagan of Cagayan, Oro City. These are the artworks in contemporary period. Pangangandi or prayer by Salema Saway Agraan. Kagnao or learning by Salima Saway Agraan. Next is courtship dance by Unanoy Saway Estrada. Lastly, pangukak or playing kukak by Chong Texon. The American period, for example, Higalaay Festival. During this period, our kind of art involved American introduced as performing arts like dancing, theater arts. Higalaay Festival in Cagayan de Oro's annual fiesta celebration, popularly known as Higalaay Festival, in a week-long festivity filled in a series of colorful, culturally rich and fun-filled core events of culminate on 28th of August, the feast day of city's patron saint, Saint Augustine. That's all for Region 9 and 10.